They were dependent on others because of education, because of the historical aspects of African American people in this country through slavery and whatever, that the community had become a dependent society, and it was time, and still time, for it to be independent. And I think Islam, the thought of Islam, brought in that independence consciousness to a group of people who were divided, that this showed some form of unity, the Nation of Islam as an organization. And one other thought on that, and as that seed of Islam was introduced into the community, that those seeds were the names of Allah, which I had never even heard of it before, the name of Muhammad, the Quran. These were the seeds that were dropped into the community that, and when you look today, those seeds are being nurtured and they're growing into a strong Islamic community here.
So in terms of your career at that time, when you became Muslim, did you becoming Muslim affect your career at all?
Me becoming Muslim, it did not affect my career. It enhanced my career. It enhanced me as a human being. And so I think I grew tremendously at becoming Muslim, because anytime you educate yourself and you feed your spirit, then you automatically are in a position where you can be more useful to yourself and to society. So I think it helped me tremendously in my business and personally as a...
But did your fame help you in the dawah efforts and spreading and propagating the correct information about Islam and telling people about Islam who may not have known about it or understood correctly Islam?
Well, I don't know how much I understood how correct it was, because Islam is still going through changes here in this country. And in fact, all over the world it's going through a lot of changes, especially here in America and amongst African American people. I think that it's going through a tremendous change, basically because from the Nation of Islam became a whole a movement from that, that elevated the whole consciousness of Islam, not so much that it was a nationalistic approach, but it became more of the Sunnah of the Prophet, may peace and blessing be upon him. And so that became part of the Islamic movement. And so it to me, the essence of the message of Islam is very simple. And the what religion can do is confuse a people, and then it can free a people. I'd much rather use religion to free myself than to confuse me. And so when Islam, as a body of knowledge, just as Christianity is a body of knowledge, and Judaism, all these are just different thoughts and bodies of knowledge, I believe that Islam includes all of that. I think that it has the potential to govern spiritual matters in the most effective way.
Well, Brother Luqman, I want to ask you about, you have, mashallah, there's a very good established business here in Philadelphia. And I want to ask you about Universal Companies, and what was your motivation to start that, and what is the objective of the companies which the company which you have established here?
Well, the objective and the motivation is kind of like connected to the thought of developing community life, and the need for doing for self. And the masjid is a wonderful place to nurture your spiritual needs. But we felt that that along with that spiritual, there is a natural life.